Assalamu alaikum. Bal bismillah nabi programme oto bafula verified. Dela Mustafa Kedabo. Bi nga honorable Pa Ahmad Manira Sotojan. UDP la campaign manager. He's been campaign manager the what you want
Of recent. Kabring Karafanyol
Botaji. Maybe similar like programme.
Yeah, I'm content to back and say what I put an program auto. Talking to you in particular, I've been following you before this. I'll come back.
Oberara back. So ka cha kumasi ni yaje nyimponbe politika sanjano kono of course. Mbina altola itafama la appointment oto le yani UDP la campaign over tembo men to sign thing. But in first testament to do 2026 presidential election nyanta kelanya menga mulonta nyoya election wala keta bantan janganin kayaf ngakuma so rete amuta election nying men keta kayaf anin bantan jang fo aketa la komi referendum lembang komi kaitan de 2026 be kelanya membang fo wonde.
No, Mustafa, wol jam fata nyola le. Wol jam fata nyola le. Ika min fo tili kilon politiko kodo o lun jam balet and wala to nyaayata karitan nin femben nin presidential election temale so pour ka foko climate be nyamin bi warante yirkalo be nyamin bi wala be wodita min la mu faham bal yalati 1 2 carte fayo min keta kayaf nin bantanjang wolning presidential carte fayo man killing nam carte fayo don tonya baro mu tundundin carte fayo late andu niaji we ko tundundin carte fayo aka base kodol kan presidential elections aka base wol kan for mol si wol fana be bo nyoto so there is no way that will be determined la adum quand for political mu quality yo moldum la mantara yato molla ko buka tara yato molla mirol ni la kenyal kato falin nale according to circumstances if that is the case janning karitang nyato hadama demul mi yakate fay bi bantan janning kayaf miro min be bulu fo yakate fay ya fay nyami ani ya fay dami could definitely difa asi falin nole and abe falin nale fana
so ete amira mune fonga yatina kolu because ni lamin mane suto janni lamin mane ngal be wora nyomine
hani
ete mambo nyomi
hani ente wora bikamala
okay so ngalamin suto janne bara ay mem fonye wo time mun abe jikrim baka ko UDP be fen suto like kayaf particularly because in fact, I know for UDP la fixed deposit let. And then to another thing. I mean, it muna UDP lose.
Okay. Lamin Mane would have reasons. Dalilo mi yatina ayamutako ganyobe kelaje. So at that time before the elections. Niente nyinenka na dalilol si very demanding mfana si jiko soto ko atay jiko soto nyamen ko si gagné no jele but knowing what I know in terms of nga experience min soto political carte fayolto ani wotundo fon carte fayoto
kayafji
LRR and that Kiang East because nga by election conduct yele but mo National Assembly by election lati mola kate fayo ani mola cool aka patan minta and yena jube ko fana amanke general elections ti fo by election lam ni alonko a concentration o kake dulani to bakele and then you are in the opposition and then you are contesting against an incumbent me ya long ko fana ya understand ko that incumbent is bent on wanting to win in any which way. So ikalondako it's going to be a tough race. It's going to be a tough race. Yo, I don't tell a jero bita daming knowing the political climate. Abe tough la nyaming. It's not co. The competition is going to be based on policies and stuff. You know, it's going to be based on Kenya limma nyal ning alhalul miya lonko. You know, it will be danko donga ganye. The incumbent beta wala danko donga ganye. Adun si ganye no nyasi yo be nyama mbake la handing atara they would bend certain rules.
For hanu wala keta jema.
Wal keta jela.
Comment be ko nyadi.
Coming local authorities use, you know, in the campaign, you know, ngalon ko na sartul man sonnina imani nyandi pour mol membe ko regional governors ka open politics ke in as much as it can mean for drum president membe searing politician olam you know wale appoint you know, but it's one thing to appoint somebody based on the law, but then it's another thing to know you being appointed have a TOR. Inyanta tamala inyanta officer in tamande la satrol min. Yo, so ka satrol so you know the governor using his office, you know, ka funti kana campaign wala bawo the regions sefulu be dankun kan governor la sefulu fana du yelodu la basoro na banko kan ka sefulu
traditional structure
exactly ka wol fana
adamara
exactly ka wol fana moshul so that they would come out, you know, to campaign to politics, you know, if fana bela o sefia kan use kan on the alcalos milbe koto ha ngol be yele and abuka amandan wala fang man wala fang, you know, ngaje some security officers, senior security officers milia lonko ibe regional to je in governor be silo kan, you know, and wolfna being in your uniform, you are a top security officer, you know, I'll be silo kan, you know, it tells something else. And ngalonko yake wadalilo lekam. You know, yo ngajele fine state minister soul. Well, if you feel like being in the politics, okay, whatever. But butung ini mansapunda motulu binala adungalon na situation be nyami jang. Aliyo convoy ke kata, you know, alchemy signal is showing the power, the privilege of the incumbent, you know, over the ordinary.
Coming kamanza kundala because minister was said akeno political keno. But coming kamanza kundala resources used.
Exactly.
Kataka political ke mo kilimo.
Exactly. Osifal oldol ketale. Osifal wolmanya. So niya lonko na wobe keno lale. Even before going to the elections. Niya lonko woldol be keno lale. And young they would go all out to do those kind of a thing. So of course, never do no competition at easy la.
But say because neo factor when ye content. Factor let many along ko opposition ye complain the 2021 presidential elections.
Right.
Ko incumbent kasyambo use akamansa kunda resources use akarte fa okay. Baro ya funun ko minister be carte political kala han chief justice from the political kala.
Right.
Yo, so I come to water nukundo, but time needed at a carte fa wala sa no be a boy in the ora come to time. Tell we know kola aldi.
A bit tough lale. Ite bita competition kono ko bita very tough race lekela. Mimbi jera until la munta ko man la fika give up. You know, into doing what we should do. Handing along ko nimem bitala abe lua jalgatitale. You know, nga mimuta dronko nga sede andir ke kuola. bawo kol ke fankele you know we've been into the same thing before 2016 sakunda min bi jang similar thing wala be ke kanno but o martin na ngam bulola moli bulola nyokan the opposition, more especially the United Democratic Party, ya feel like asike nyaunya asikola nyaunya tilimbalia ning taku balia asike nyaunya bari bawo bankobe marling sartolla ntel nga katanga tamani wo sartolla nga ala ke sedoti nga mol fana ke sedoti tumando mbe minto ni wala tonya yata be wakilninje things will do themselves. You know, continue wala for 2016 natana wulu. Di ko nga bulo la no nyokan tumando min sort of 2016 the change atakela. So the same thing, you know, in as much as nga je ko nyama sakunda fana be bulu kili wala kan ka wo ferol nati pour que fang entrench into power. You know, we want to continue doing what we feel is right. You know, in terms of participating, not boycotting, you know, but then complain and then try to enlighten kakarandiro ke kamul faham yandi kuteng fana, you know, bawo wo sefo mi ya lonko man sakunda be use like one until nga feel lako nte kelendila nte nenna nte fem fole ma bari ko ikekerindi kula mimma nyang adum sama asinano kudo wuluno ye hanning amanke ku jawte bara simba malo si manole you know si wo fonole you know kola you know police million ko fana ike use on the people ke hakilo bulandi o police kilingolu 90% or 95% of the police million ko be nun jang before 2016 wala be nun jang woman sakunda be use kananung against the opposition in any which way ikamota ko will they are green completely it'll opposition no but kabring mulia kata fo yele mo keta they were here automatically they shift their allegiance to Mimben Jang, you know, they bow down and everything but amanya ke ko nyama do ko nyanta ke nyama ke nyama drong you know, so we felt we will keep on reminding the people that pour mol fana sa je fana ko kafuko sembo be molle bulu akana dang foro da mala anyanta jelale mol nyanta wo sembo tala power belongs to the people. It needs to be seen to be done also.
So ni alla election jibe no janna ala ka 2023 janning election men keda me mo follow men bantan me sambana ni jibe yenyi recent election jibe UDP ya carte women so nyin doto wala siata 2023 wanoti NPP men so wala doyate la 2023 wanoti but still now NPP men so wala siata so of course ngajele mol ba fo kan ko maybe it's because UDP la support level afaka NPP la support betala why bajela unsigned voter apathy fanate o course no la ba comme ata kala nyinti fana ko because yalo mol ka sotole ta feel ni local electional ma important
wala fana biye wala nan kafu ko do ko be mbulu pour ka mol faham yandi kajo karte fayo be kanyantal karte fayo be kum matal you know ka wakili kana karte fayo la o kum mata bakela you know and then kamul fana yamari pour in transfer of voters fana moli hakil tu kije you know because abesiya kan mol san ibota tundol milto ni tata sabati damen de dron do ko Kenya la walante futuo Kenya la walante do ko nyino Kenya la osio akatina ikela votes nyol transfer je you know woka impact sort on the number of voters within a region or a ward obiyele you know
coming ika voters come like for example nibe state in Banjul ika da carte for Salikenye for example
right for ibota Salikenye yo andum Salikenye la mo yati everything but inata Banjul do ko le si Banjul ibe sabatati Banjul you know instead of you know
voting ke Banjul
no instead of ye la carte otu Salikenye
o
jele yati you know, you feel like registration of the cake and banjol, but nga register jang. So wo adu mo min be bokan salikanye kana banjol obisi yakanne. Do ku soto Kenya la ani banko alhalo be nyame. You know. So ibajal niwol be wota nanje inata do ku nyino la daming ibe sabatirin je yela votes transfer je. Andu kate fayo fasi ke salika nyama fola na keta je baje la ko wala karto dango be do yala bakele you know, so representation membe kala je ma fongo sometimes molle ka determine min ma hanike je quality you know hamil ma ki je quality you know, so ofana be nyanta hakil tula moltol what I would encourage is molia kata you know ebe daminde bota daminto as long as imam move completely you know comme la family be imam move completely the family be usually transferred wrong because of Doko Kenya and stuff. You know, you register at your region. Ne voting seat, you know, nga federal jube. Membat na la molbita carte or file.
Ni jibe, I mean, almang irregularity soto me along ko isafoko a jarta puruka kaje ka complain ala formally either to Electoral Commission or ka case nyimbondi ka present to maybe NGOs or civil society ka itandida ko practices la kata election or many along ko fana voting ning influence almo evidence.
Well, ma long depend ya long intela jero be danna daming parce que mo jama ben naka fo kono milla jerobe tambila jela surtout fengol min ya lonko you are talking of evidence and stuff you know some of them could be legal fenkol you know naka fo nying mo be ya lo nyami you know you have a lot of legal minded people la fenkola but that when it comes to me personally you know as a campaigner as a politician nte mang kujeje ndesi min case min forward no na manke pour ka fo you know wolom ka mol faham yandi ka jube ko nimme carte fayla kana nga katan kana fay based on siol you know nga political nga siko bonni political kono you know fine sometimes ka use at some point ite ka ke ko akema kwele at that given time ibe sula ne minna you know bari ni mo moti ikemira samala abina impact min kela after ite lawo ganyawo wo si backfire no le you know ida ite fon kan warante dingol kan so politiko ko non nyanta hakilto satawor nyanta tarlawote pronté you know advocacy you know pour ka pour ka mol faham yande wala was a case me along ko wonyanta kala because molbe quartier fay kan at some areas on those lines like yo ka itande man sakunda fan ke hakilo blandi you know kunun nom bata fola jang mol mi yalon ko ke na man sakunda palaso use you know ka politiko ke man sakunda patio e openly dum tamalol ni humiliation or kono janne doyal kono janne and stuff na safety janne mi ya lonko ila safe ya palaso use no at that time because they want favors from the government you know ye mol batandi ye mol tora you know politiko to wani Kenya be but after 2016 ina tatara doya ning malole kono and fenko you know kamol hakilo blande ko wonyom sikeno la kotenke woto moye hakilo to safe ya atamando ning sartol tawo sartol la you know
but ibaje la ko sai ni example o jiwe men kita bantanja because nga moy bantanje ko alkalo dole bay imaji no to balance ni
right
bidding tension o wulta baake so alkalo ni ko ya bay so but dole ko alkalo ni atafana be political la no to balance mo ni but dole ko no amanta man sakunda men support kan wala so but ikaje fana ine ni case akamta ni man sama sakunda fana ra karwa fana be bay dal
you become a victim
so ni be so jamaa feel maybe nim man tra man sakunda be bay dal so so fan sa politique ko man sa ko ma kam ta baro men fo do president men fo ko ni be hani chief justice be campaign o ara chief justice o campaign o te kayrat
yalo wala na kamen fo del advocacy min nyanta kala pour ka mol palaso kana jariye la integrity la you know ko nimu alkaloti nimman sartul tinya ka do ko ke man sakunda lafta minna hanin atara o man tonya ya ibe mbondi la palaso ite mo alfalti anno alfa palaso min be bulu ite ya lonko imanya ka o sartul tinya ni be bondi la palaso ye bondi wokan you know ila integrity nyanta wala maintain la you know comme ngamen fo advocacy pour que mol fenkende ay jariye ye bondi palaso to to nyakan you know dan yafu ko be palaso nyin savla fani yakan you see so mo fahamu ndirolti ngalo nak mo be ma wono mo ya no ya par mo be ma wono you know so wala nka fo ndela ndeka minje wolon kamol diamonde pour yo kan adu mol sa kenole nka wato don kala fika tam wala you know like I have all opportunity pour katara mon sakunda koto you know my relation with the president and everything to enjoy when bari nga karanta ku danta na ngam fang forcer pour kam fang bali so that sinna integrity maintain no handing atara mbe fola those privileges and stuff and then I'm living, I'm surviving and I'm happy. You understand that? So nga feel ko wote ke bali ya nola ndu nga lon ko mo jamale fana bi jammi ya lon ko ila integrity me allow no pour you know continue ka kulke mi ya lon ko man right just because they need favors or they want to maintain their positions and stuff. You know alkalul fana nyanta lolale kaje ko ning atare te musate la alkalto musate bela alkalto musate bela alfalati traditionally adoto anin chosano to wala to nyaayata bar masa kunda min be sirin wal nata kana wo tamandiro ka soso
yuka alkalo ka bayino la
ha ni be bayla ye bay kukan min manke ko yem forcer le pour nga man sakunda support ni ko alkaliya banko sartoli ye min fo wala ni mo sate alkalote ila politiko imanya ka politique party fasa banke oto kena bato oto nite man sakundala nite opposition support la kena bato imanya ka man sakunda support kena bato bawo ka min fo wala min ko tabe marle molmilla sate oto andu tela do ko bije pour ka kilimba ya tamandi wol temo sate oto all dol could come from different political parties. Adu niye jeko ite you are so much aligned to a particular political party. Ni o party dingo ninyi party ko tango dingo e issue soto andi be musate dingo lete adu te nyanta to nya fo lete molbe jikila tela ila fekore te confidence soto so wu kamalom luwa ka je bori wala tana ya lonko yimu moleti fo si carte fay fo si mo soto no ha but it cannot get in the open. So if you cannot do it for the opposition, you shouldn't openly do it for the incumbent.
So sa ya jibe kayaf NPP winta ina ta bantan jampana me alon ko okay of course kayaf maybe safo ko yera seat letter aje. But ni na because alon kayaf to lel winta je before.
Right.
But ni na ta bantan jang. Nin winter dame NPP winter dame no to alliance la winter out before no to alliance la moyo so akamta NPP new seat le acquire mamben so before
to nyala Mustafa nte mbukala fika fufanko mole time seat you know you occupying a seat at a given time by the time kayaf membe nunje NPP candidate holom you know that's it at competition la ani UDP tema aya gagné tarto je bira bota je sito empty ta nyame ita talte mo le tamu bile tata anyini you understand you until manta nyin kono ko ita le tamu bita jube la fomba so la fonta so la tata nyina la kamako mba nyina na mo le bulu ado sa soto no katum mim banda ten janni woy gagné min be nun je omo UDP lat you understand yo ni obota je ni nata bantan jangna fine ni carte fayo keta nyami ni ajube min gagneta NPP candidature gagneta ba ni mulla support jube ibalon nako bantan jang word mulla support mantara NPP
ba wintale ko no
mbemmenna e wintale bari bantan jang mulu niya khayma majority mu in the opposition lete because opposition candidate fula le lota
independent doing fula
independent fula le lota carte talata wollete wol mu me ni la cartel bolé yin NPP la candidate o dam bakel bawo NPP la candidate o ay yin don noto alliance dam minna carte kese lulu lo yo adun carte kese kemenim feng yin candidate do yo sodole min isa lonko milia fay wol be make NPP oppositional dam male carte tala nyotem yo na manke force party pulti non fo yewola katle kafunyoma do mino NPP lose so natare bita khaymarola bantan jam moli be jube la jumal opposition jumal la NPP jamamu oppositional so wala tina wo mu indicational te pour kayite ndila ko ning atar kate fay do nata pour ka fay surtout mimbo ko presidential mimba fayla min likelihood of mimba fayla opposition o opposition candidate wala be siala mimba fayla NPP
barne ajibe still now bantan jamu ya jambe la stronghold ya jere foni generally law area mo ya stronghold which means not to alliance the stronghold NPP tara for a challenge for that significant number of presence already
but that's what I'm talking about kufula ning atarnu candidate kilino Noto Alliance killing because ngam fo wo Noto Alliance supporter soul wolle talata fulati
ngafam popular vote is against NPP
right
mol men ye carte o fay femba wol ma fay NPP bar carte o talata
exactly
bambe men still now because ni tata NPP la stronghold soul to come men be ko CRR URR and other places e ka oppositional win nyameng you know akachia bakel hani not bank la bla dol fangol to comme meri be ko nyomi wol ma fangol la SEU and other some of these other communities ke win nyamen to and kata URR wol and other places CRR wol akachia bakel
right
so ning wo yete win wala sa yete ni wakana alkafuta nyumi e fonyi alkatata teng Obino or Kole Alal? Honey, not a presidential.
Honey, saying I will go by my argument. When you come to presidential, there is one candidate from Bantanjang. Candidate Kilne Bola Bantanjang. You know, I became an opposition candidate lady, Bantanjang Kolba file me likely, and in one presidential candidate, Mimbekela Baroti. You understand? When it comes to between Barrow and an opposition candidate, nga feel ko Bantanjang majority ba file oppositional than Barrow. But in coming for you know, ite ofana by no la ko the incumbent you know pruina competition okay, more especially in by elections. Akakoleale because coming for the power and the privilege of the incumbency, incumbent Mia Lonko is hell bent on just winning. Akajara ekuwe bela. Finance. Ikakudumim pompije is too much. You had them at the by-elections in Banjul. When they brought their budget, you know, ya mwele ko ila 5 million. They need 5 million. They give 5 million for a ward half dialogue. That a word, small word like have the mototi albe min travel la fangal beta malal singol la ka dunga. $5 million is wo be dunna minto, you know. So, but akakewol nyama.
Yeah, long but go over now. For jifol montande ko.
Ha.
Jawato do liga wala ke. Bulol ye monta jifol ye mon.
Exactly. Bari butung aka jari incumbent ye minna, abuka jari oppositional wala.
Bari yalo incumbent funa ka kodo soto nyameng businessman olu contractor family many yalo ko
e kala fi favors la.
From government.
From government.
Will be kana.
How will be kana? No,
yes,
I'm not questioning ila kodi soto nya mbe minna kodo nyinka spend nyaming. Wakati nale competition ka stiff between them and the opposition. Because coming from, if you talk of businessmen, most businessmen wouldn't want to associate openly with the opposition. Fear ko mansakunda be victimized based on that. We have seen those kind of things happening here. You understand? So ube katara jele. So the opposition katara at the mercy of, just talking to the people, making sure more yela nyanto long ifangfe, ye kate fay nyanta fay la nyaming to nyakang, and that's it. Katara wadam malto, and that was what was happening. That was what I did in care.
But it is a sign. I mean, considering in climate Benjamin, I mean NPP in 2 by-election win, and they have access to resources. Kodo bijele, the party bureau launch. It had a fundraising in Spain. Kodo amas inata. Many people will be coma, and other things. It is a sign NPP will go in the 2026.
Niya Mustafa, before 2016. Before 2016. NPP mang kodi amas mi ya jamesi kodo min babulu mul nyaay minje and min display kan. Before 2016 NPP mang sakunda ta ka karhang more than Yaya Jammeh. Yaya Jammeh have atle man sakunda karhang more than what NPP have done. Before 2016, the security apparatus of this country openly ibedoku min ke kan ala political kono. Among Barosi. Amasi. Before 2016.
Yes.
Danaka, you count, I can't remember, but you count number of parliamentarians, they are in the opposition in the parliament. Amansia. In council Itafola.
Yeah.
So Danaka, oppositions were nearly dead. Eka opposition mim moy active no UDP long. At that time for UDP la leadership for baby incarcerated.
Yeah.
You understand? But then what happened? Wokodo ni wo fanko ni fanko mamulta mul futata tembeto. Mul ikabin for they've been pushed to the wall.
Yeah.
And if they push to the wall because of Konko and in Jikila Teo, and in Fongodol. So ikanyil mil for the wall buke ibalino kukela in Antaminkela. So I want to believe we are going towards that. Mbetembo minto teng. Balu be la kolea bitakan daming. Mol man tara jiko soto kanko abe sone yala.
Balu kilo wala be kianing.
Right. Yeah, but that's what I'm talking about. Yalo wo is a sizable one. Asikeno nyaonya is a sizable one. And then we are also saying ko niya jube moming man karte fay wo bina siala mi karte fay.
Yeah.
And then jama coming for one minute ko
man karte fay nyaadi.
Coming voter apathy
minketa jindulal.
Yeah. So Jamaica we are more particular about the presidential Franco. So ibe difference jela woto. The apathy mean bekela by election solto and in Franco would be different from general elections. People will participate more in general elections. So fana be better la ko konole. So nkata nyame fana kolea fana haning other kolea be caring. Ni kolea dan na tambita adum be kan towards that. Wala fana be mol batani la more. Wala for be mol nyaayelen de la more. So
but
I'm so
near jibe I mean German at this I mean maybe also as Kenon Kanyin Kola Fana over exaggerate because near jibe German at this near Jawara la this jibe communata family dal la Kenya within German at a family were skyrocketing. Some family la dala fa German could maybe near high master 1000%.
right.
You know, because manual from $150 to 900 and something.
Right.
Up to 1,000, you know. So neo GB that gap jamal right? Okay, so here now you know here now maybe 800 and something %. So here now fendul dalto big la fatal. Okay? So the same inflation have continued because government expenditure, little productivity. We are relying too much on importation and all of that. Dollar sort of value ka dollar katala inflation ka wuli femo dal ka dafa. Han sa be keren. But mom mol bal carte o dila NPP.
But at some point I mol bal carte o dila jamela.
Well, you can say maybe. I mean, I'm not sure because human rights violations from our keren.
Kujamal lebe ko kono. You know, the human rights violation of an abekela. Kujamal kana of an because mol la paso ka protest. Akatina le incumbent KJ as an enemy. Akajako, you know what? Ni nyanta eliminate la. Wol be ka ke. Ando wol fana be mu fear factuality me alon ko mol ba a fosikan in this system. Because mol be futa kan tembe to mol be fasikan ne andong ibe la franco kana imagine abuse of imagine something like you know openly you know asking the auditor general to leave the leader content. You understand? So abuse bina kan wotole.
Yeah.
Yo adum be futa la tembe to you know ni security mol ni lafte use la nyado nyama mol be balana la adum ni mol ye balan oke ini be dunna nyola ni be ni dunta nyola wala faham baliya ka jele ko ning atara wol betel le stand kan samta ko they take it personal. You know, and then heavy handedly they ike tut nyaming wala kata landa sambi farol ka dunga kono and ni faro killing keta dong you want to cover that. You know, I na kudo fana wulu.
Another far.
Yo, wala na kame mara lola. Sako mara lo ni nata ta fala fta tinyale bulu. Amang koy. You know, amang koy. Adu mbe minje kan jamela sanji tam follow. Tinyaro mi manke human right abuse mi manke. Ka bring ay sanji tam bang saunta nyin dola. Nyin tinyar bal ni mo fa ni human right abuse nata wala.
So if Jongul al Faramansata around 2002 towards
yaja obe yentel fana silandi bahola kola le min sanje tawo mi ya lon ko bota ko nga fil ko kobe al halo min to adu membe mol bulu that they are not prepared to take anything for granted anymore. If he wants to go beyond 10 years it could result to those kind of a thing because that's the time.
Barola 10 years after Lola. That's clear.
Exactly.
Yo, but saying and legally also come account 3 years more protest annual water.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, so Bajela saying ning election considering the current climate, it is possible no opposition living because one, you are clear that Kodo be bull, okay. 2, incumbency be bull. Sefoli ko e campaign ko hanal tata en carte fo menna alkalo le campaign baro ko chief justice
yeah
yo minister be campaign wala wo kola abe sira o men kono man sakunda ka do ko men beke baro la ka to dia soto yaje nin ku munyin silo men fango be lo kanta nyin batin hading highway baba la tay abe launch la le and ala third phase because yalo be adandango le be sila do lo kan ibe bridge lo kan jabang askeno janni election will be parallel rural electrification fanala branch will be jebe baro fon ka be tolu leket yaaje yo so ni na tay will be ka fu nyoma te will be ka mulu man sakunda na ko diandi mo yen sa ite amira opportunity be win no na nyaadi
nte man believe ko wol sintel jikilante hendi no adu man believe ko wol damma sikino factorti pour ka man sakunda gagnendi nkam min fo man sakunda be cool kelale andi be cool ke kanne min ning sartol manta min ba tinala ya feel ko be gain sotola but for us as long as nga feel ko tonya be mbulu adum be tala tonya le kan you know we are optimistic that anything can happen you know because barobe ko kunnin ke kan bi ning physically kamin litandi ka fo ko ala development yirwa ko la ba ke kan you know I will still come back to before 2016 Jammeh have done the same thing similar things Jammeh have done more of those infrastructural development than Barrow you know but Martin at some point you know mul facilitale mul lafta falun kelale you know there are moments ming ni mo chikanan ya bondi nan santoto for instance ya nati nan fajara you know fajara ya bla self contained kono and everything TV BJ and stuff and everything you know ni min nata jibeje ba nyimbe living good and everything and ala jati ma felenti moto ba bulu you see him driving but as you know when you see him driving in jati ma ne obitakan o ba samba kanne pour ka adokundi kula danko dron ka dunodi ala ina fe nan so kono ite amira
be kulli
wo so kono asikino hani domoro biye atete domoro manola na manke da sama wato nasita ye half mburo kuntae o kota mburo ye bota kaye ay wodo maninti na bota wala nyama ma ko boto kono hani fembe ya ba yitita wolon na wonyam you understand le konton wato ni mo be sila to mando abe kala 4 o'clock o 5 o'clock atete domoro kala biringa yo kota bread domo ani bota ani ti kensan ate domoro kenola fo 5 o'clock ye palatin dimbonda ya wodomo ba ni tinata wo suwo kono yeso je nyame ani kul nyame camera ko living ni way opportunity tata school na jita tambita na friendo ya mi alon ko is living in Brikama Nyambai abe bunkanya ndinkono afutata je nyame ka tara boyul be siri you know konto wato esi be foi ka nyoma nene do morola he would feel more comfortable he would feel more wanting to be at that home that it home much as infrastructurally and the location bidami fajara lo nyinde you understand nkaw example o ta minna akatola nyama at some point ka fuko ibenyi infrastructural development silo
mo ka balu wala choose over
at some point in as much as we infrastructure fana
superficial elegance
exactly mo laftala le we want to ride in very nice roads and bari anyanta tarla le konko mantaranna anyanta tarla
bol sol yetara band
exactly anyanta tarla le suwo kono you know
sarawle fa sa di silobe fonyo ko
silobe fonyo anyanta tarla le
silo dunde fonyo
yo ndingo mi ya lonko abe suwo kono asasata nga confidence to no ka sambaloptan because silo sibete anyawonya ni muto ni mal si bodi nyawonya ali safu ko ha silo be fonyo kono nyawonya ndingo min sasata bulu suwo kono ni tara loptan o ma o fengede and wo so dia
fana santal de
ambulance woti nante di on kamala suwo kono aya samba ni loptanoto nin tata loptanoto mbe al halo min tarla ji because mam moltar je because molmi ya lonko e 40 ye nursing ke ifagana because it demotivator e mantara at those public franco will be private clinical letter you understand mil be je a million ko nurse attendance and franco will be je mam motivate and they are not will tenna dindungo treat la nyame warante tool stable pour nyanta ko do ko kala nyame boriti je you understand ye nana kayto safenye ko ta pharmacie moto mbetam la pharmacie wala wala nyama ngase suko no because boro nyanta min sana pharmacie muto atembulo bari mbetama la wosila nyimmale kan pour anim moto nyimmal be benna pour kata suko no yamira wo tembo wosila nyimman tebe wajala nyaala
so ife balwala sono ya wala sakunda man
ha
imo doku
hani itel be min jika you know nga silo doku le nga fekana mo ma foko silo mo nyaka doku
so ete a feel ko comme misal fi o balwala sono ya balia mol be wala jela ibe carte NPP balla carte o
ibe nyaayel la wala to wo mu factuality pour que mol ye nyaayele because wo batin nakanne mol ba je kanko fondinkewol ba je kanko jita karam moto e man do ko soto no meccio be bulu bari man meccio tamande no meccio be bulu yela workshop o yele man mo soto mi yalon ko man client ibuka client soto no at the end of the day mo so be bulu dingo be bulu e babi je faabi je e meke bari yela teri ma doje mi yalon ko yela nebolam at lokita drum at some point atata tubam du nyambe rek you know within a month rek you know aya start ka kudoki na aya start kala mola life change atel la man sakunda be al haloto dunia mol fa me fonka so much that ye dingul bali visa la because imang diplomacy keno in dunia tema ila foreign policy dunia mol ma respect so imam banko nyi respect ima honor so banko dingul fa ila embassy bondi jang ye samba dulal to atel buka visa soto no pour katama mo be right to pour katama ila to tamara dame baral bam so albe min kela wala malbe sen na balla pour katama wo kono alla molbe fala molbe distress la molbe la suwo kono idinke saba be fata bako because il afta kata pour ka do ko leke ka kututey ko ye nyon don de bita ka nyama because imam hope soto jak
bare ka factol men fo ani jame time all bebe jan for example yaje comme musal fi 2016 2015 even before that you know jame fo ngana ne back we kumo fole kafo ko mon kata baku e kadi fan fa bakon comme baro e recent statement kete so bebe janne baro jame ka election win still
but ngole fo yalo ngole wala nanko ko kata nyami ko ke fanke wala nyama mol ka ko je nyo nyala le you know there are moments that it will take time before people will realize that they need to make sure they make change but they talk afuta tembeto they realize ko you know la difference will be but yeah be five koma they come together the effect change
okay so sa ne ajibe sa ngal to be tembo men sa let's ngana cause ndi anda bantanjana nan barola roads into Noto Alliance la territory now we come back to broader opposition flanco ko ne UDP jibe sa ngal to funa election prepare kanne sa entari alam biro to bonna fal pareta
sure
wala live sen daboti and then alkana essentially alkana apparently la pour 2026
true
yo opposition do modol farasta UDP da ma mefa itata wol fana e fanzun groupe olo e ka fo unite movement for change
right
yo Allah city mayor is a member of those
sure
yo chochobe kuma kan Rahim Malik law issue fana be fo kan diamo siata sai yo so yo jibe yana jibe opposition dol fana be karala jana men be ko GDC mama kande na la mol coalition man soto baral tul particularly found in UMC da molu wol be nyo kaja fi kam baake yo yana je ko sai opposition wol be o tembe data ete amere wol be baro win ela jaje o fo UDP kilen say no la ba
but 2016
2026 for 26
nko 2016 kate fo be kala wato men naka ka jamme boydi opposition party wala be jam
hako bari kaftan yo be dula kil no time
when did they come together
2016 around October kata November ka
just
it was the last minute
last minute it's all possible it's all possible but coming for patiola sia banko kan banko mi ya lonko aya feel ko atebe system of governance min na fela o system o min na to multi party democracy ni patiol man sia woto hanbi there is a question in your you know principle or policy of multi party democracy patiol nyanta sia la you know because molu the population only can determine if a carte file jamale and they should be able to have you know options you understand and ning fonkol man vary it options kienola and is healthy for me that is very healthy you know because we should be able to see people million feel you know what until we can do this you know as how others cannot do it you know so I think that is
barisa en ka wuli fana ne ka fata fana that's fine but nani carte o tala baro nala molol be nyoka Citizen Alliance bije NRP bije other political parties bije yo NPP fana bije yo so sai ni nata opposition la karola
yalam baro man fanko alliance tole be kunna NPP be lola wato minna we NRP tarajele wole NPP law so kafuko mu alliance solti mu diam ken solti don just because it is a registered party with the IEC ala name be yedron and on the leader ya la party on you merge into Barrow's club doesn't make it a formidable opposition alliance. You understand? I was there when NPP was formed. Henry Gomez like DPDP. Come California mean suitcase for briefcase party or NRP was there all along. NRP, they were there with Barrow until they all formed the party together. You understand? So it wasn't like NPP locally as a opposition party. A foye NRP ba faye jana then yena jube ko be alliance or kela they come together. Amanke wanyama. They all help to build one entity. One political party. So mo buka wo konti as an alliance. Aka follow drong dan ko don pour kay tan ko he's also a unifier of political parties. Wo ndi am ken sa walt. But in coming for muna mori ba kamin fol ba ka usu kamin fol nsi wali nkana kuya you understand adu nal wali ta andung albebe dula kilo le bayindi kan at some point alkana bennole for a purpose
niya mo dawda ko niya jibe altolla opposition karola jamal be je min yalon ko coming même fota ñom like for example ni nada UMC la ko UMC ni aje wol bota UDP ko to mon confidence to la ko UDP la leadership be binna ani UDP la silo be nyame man confidence to essentially kachani mbe na tata nata ala fankan mo wonde akungom wolde ko leadership ni man confidence to on the leadership they think that they needed to select somebody who is electable so an opposition leader opposition party jamal wolta yaje komito la tarans lo ni NPP la UDP tarans lo wala ne tata e fanzu lo te famay san kachal be kumas la dol ba fola and disagreement o hani saying abe jela regarding party be tombon na nyaton ko be tombon na nyaadi da be jumal tombon na kan nyaton kaya yaje so nin kambe o man soto opposition ko ete amera be winna in the first place what kambe o fa be soto la
hanibi au mbe muruna before 2016 party ol membe nun jang UDP bi jande NRP ba faye doy ba faye and other party ol be faye GMC ñil be mantarata kan UDP la bulola be ni la bulola be ni taram bulolum be ni la candidate olum be ni fenkolo bari kam yom fo circumstance yam futande level le to am futande blal to ka chal keta fo jero keta ko you know what for the purpose of this change 2016 we need to come together wala ya possible ndi hanning atara kafu nyomo at that time aning ka UDP la nyaton ko ka tambindi at that time aman dia doliye bari sontala. What I'm saying, history can repeat itself. A similar thing can happen. Ntamantara obaika. Being atara modo ya jako ntima mera ko mbetembo mento going to this election and Usenu leading it, it can lead us to victory. It is a wojeno be. But come in the next 5 months, ila umira nyasi falling nole. Because mimbente bulu wala mintiku Usenu mug an electable candidate. Yo, nte nitila kacha how nte convince nyaming. I can be able to convince you to see it that way also. Yeah. You understand? So wala na man kubay wo ko kono. Yo bari Obe tarin kola, nte man sonye naka foko. Unless the oppositions come together, we cannot put Barrow down.
So it's a massive win no nyadi. Yamere UDP killing sakeno.
You know, about UDP killing telola. Ni UDP lota, party don't lota. Election or keta. That's how we know it.
But now man party sort of me alongo. Men se keno wala mkomi msalfi. Nandra strategically by default. Ya jele. Party lota me alongo I support that NPP men warata. It's for maybe by default as a party. But party man sort of follow me as a as NPP the support more influence back. At least for maybe research data more bondi follow.
Maybe, but coming for bita kan ne mola ngongoro mola hanabadi mola falingo ala sondo mola falingo o tariata le mbetembo mintoten. The first youth president of NPP, very influential, left the NPP, and he is out there forming his movement, trying to register a political party. And then war is not relenting. Abi doko minna, alakafobi doko minna. Abi more min be propaganda kan puri kafama are all coming from the NPP. We have seen officials of NPP, Milialonko, Ibe Kafukama, grassroots. Yeah. Kewamadi.
So Kewamadi the UDP
we ain't get no problem. We in talking terms. We are all in the political council of Barrow in those days. You know, one of ila former regional chairman. You know, Nabe Kachalate. You know, and these are all very influential people. NPP lote isimol kotole.
Wale Lamin
Jata. Doko Kije and everything. You know, so they all gone. Most people anding Doko can to get the Funko. You can eat over Funkanola. Lamin Sima. You know, was NPP very influential and everything. He's trying to build up. You understand? You know? I mean, UMC, in as much as they come from the UDP, you know, nga long ko ibe force ming taka, you know, ibe more bon la UDP nyawnya, ibe more bon la NPP le. So who knows in the next coming months who is coming again? You understand? You know, NUP having Lamin J. Dabo as their leader now, you know, who knows where they are taking their support from? You know, so nte jigila te umantara na koto. And ba wontel na patio mba jube ka nyame mbala structure jube ka nyame is still intact. You understand?
UDP is still intact.
Yeah, UDP is still intact.
Comme member ko alto la support base if NPP man UMC man fam amal break no comme amal tala back
I'm threatening because it are for because ikamilje UMC la in leadership most of them be what UDP la so it will downplay no la completely, you know. But they are buddies, they are friends, they are mini UDP. You know, I'm seeing them as mini UDP. You know, they're good to go. UMC.
Bari ni yara ni politiko kafold. Kafundawla ka win. Ni katala ibuka win ko.
Bari nka memfoye nimbe bita birol la. Ntenga jibe ko. Itel funtita nyameng. Ani ntaramburo membewulo itel be biro kala dami it will be more from the side of the incumbent than from UDP, you understand, which for me is good, you know. You had Ahmad Ba said in Sukuta handing atara tumando je manka fo dulati wanta manka fo nyati, but in reality walam to nyati. They should see UMC as a threat. You understand? UNC be abe wuli ka nyami anele bu nyami you know will be mol min tala itel kono ito tala UDP kono you know so for me it's an advantage for UDP you know so nte dal nte personally I'm seeing UMC as you know na dindon mi yalla ko ngekile pour eta do ko ken eta baro ken eta bara ngin kenye and then ibina o baro la benefit na fe la nyele ni kuma you know ba fala baba kuro fela ila kuru son fele ente ke jibe wala nyama and they good to go
I'm happy for that. Unintended consequences will be helping you.
Yeah.
Okay, so but saying near GB for now, coming for example, leadership selection, you got coalition kachal wekere. So UDP for now be more kachanya,
right?
Puru kafuma, right? And then strategically, what did you likely alliances will be forged, maybe at least. Let's say more by ideas of love.
Well, more long because I'm not part of the team.
Okay.
From UDP, yeah, I'm not part of that team. But I spoke to one or two people. You know what? You know.
Yeah.
There are one or two people who confide that to me.
So that coming for all the parties to go, solidify their base, you're more galvanized. Then why?
Yeah, trying to, because the objective is to reduce NPP.
Yeah.
Because Bela Nganioni la Hamom wallet, NPP reduce la nyabe. Sometimes there are people milko batu intel nga lo ne nibita blow minna. But you know, so we go into them, you know, and then hammer them, you know, until we know kongi handicap. When the time comes, then we come, you know. Yeah. So
finally, let's look at this particular thing. Near GB politics, emotion beji barfenko fana beji jiko fana ka sambal jiko ka jiki. Yo, so near GB Atola candidate, which is Alive Sen, many people have said coming, I made a campaign, I made a contest, I can lose. Even though, of course, Usenu ko at a book coming like he at a major komaka election lose like Asunyan. Okay, of course, no sentiment from many UDP, Bagaja coming Usenu Kalus, the Bareka Asunyan. And also, of course, 2016 are more contests. So essentially, election women contest may along go it's on the multi-party credible democracy, maybe 2021 alone. But even that also 2021 for now. But near that data GB, so for example, you look at the surveys.
26?
No. The survey me along go separate these guys Marinyan Namol it says that of course Barola popularity it's higher than Hussein. And of course imagine what data not for coming a likely alliance between Talib and Mama Kande and Issa Fall could be in 2026 election. Yellow what data killing a laugh. But near GB before that also the separatists before the 2021 presidential election. You remember separatists like Sobe Fanako Hussein is likely going to lose and Barrow was going to win. 2021 na raketa wala nya. So 2024 again there was an Afrobarometer survey. If elections were held tomorrow, this is the exact question. Who would you vote for? Around 21 or 23 or 24 people said they were going to vote for Barrow. And 17 people said they were going to vote for Hussein. So in any case, and in all those surveys, Barola popularity be jikande. Yafa. More be faka Barola le. But still now be member faka Hussein na wala siata the member faka Barola. For in data and to book out review or faltali amuta jiki coming in data man credible.
could be credible along momo nila jerinyalom. You know, there are a lot of people among our team, they believe in these data and stuff. You know, maybe until dol mo analog me personally. you know, the data mbuka atabak. You understand? Coming for drone. They coming for political more quality. More kunding wala ka mol tarnde kuto kunding ata jivun tan aka mol bonde kuto. You understand? You know, mimbe kela janning karidantan tema. Mimba tinala mol be bola adamato mo long. You know, as long as ntelbe minto mbelorin jele. Bante ba base la minkang na patio la support base mi long. Kabirinte kata campaign manager sign na force do ko kata minti wolam to go and see the structures within the country.
Kabe town.
Bari nga team sabale ke. Na organizing secretary mi Suleiman Sahoti. Wale one team lead, which is the Banjul North Bank, CRR North. Another team will lead. The other team lead, which is LRR, CRR South, URR. Alajas Dabo, na admin secretary. We are another team lead, which is KMC, West Coast. We went with a team to look at our structures from village, constituency, ward to region. Before we come to office, structural binyadile, are they all intact? You understand? What are their challenges? Muninkulibye. Kabrinta ta ngaminje. Amanjikilate. Mamfenjami njikilate. Mamfenjami njikilate. Ngamin taraje wo man woni support man kede. Ngamin taraje wolom nyinte ko dara committees milia lonko. If mankita. Modol bota jele because the region into the ward into they move
to other regions.
Yes, it may replace. You understand? Model bantale, it may replace. You understand? You know, model mang active anymore, but they were there. But when we went, we met them, we saw them. So nganyo support for the party is there. And jiko mi ya lonko ngaje na supporters on lokuta kabintara like seeing that's a new team again. You know, handing out and lafta relax la. You know, nga jiko mi sort of new team to. Oto ben na jiko warande lokuta. Now we are going to just make sure do this and this and this. Be like this for us and then we will come back. You understand? It's like Delana was a reviving Franco for the grassroots. You understand? So obviously, nintenga woje adu ngalon ko mam fen ketu. Ngaminje wole tonya yata. Tonya ni konten ko na base na support base duin dul tale. Mbe so la demalong ite la sauver ke nyaming ite la along. You understand? So we see fal they believe that we practical fen ko la. You understand? But that's me. But if you talk to probably Dr. Lamin Mane or Usiano himself, he would agree with the survey and here and there. But that's not per Mane.
So I'll tell you an assessment we make across the country, and you realize that
it's just good. It's just good. You know. So, bari nyanta la faro kela kudul milto. Ani nyanta do kunying kela do milto. You know, all ngawol jele. You know, and coming ye model sondo moti nya kuma kan dol mil fanala. Ngawol fana tara jele. You know, bari nga tarale mol sondo mobe falinkan, mol be jekan. For instance, it was in the open. If you go to the archives and see our mandinaba na keba na patili dalangin to last time ngake. Amito minke mandinaba. You know, the Manjago guy mean diamutaje. Plainly. for like yetel sondo mo filindi no UDP la Carola and ye kumo men foe you know when they were a bit younger you know was so tribalistic of UDP being Mandinka against you know minority tribes, more especially the Manjagos. This is a Manjago boy, university graduate, so it was like that for them and their people. But now they are grown up and they understand issues. They know, oh, that's not true. And he said he and himself, because at a bit Manjaka, Mimba can nasor la often I say, Manjako guy, when Manika come, my lord, back and nasor Kamanika. Ako he and him and all other people, they are going to go back to their people and talk to them about the facts. You understand? Hello, falling the ballet. Kuno wo kumantaranunji. But be wo binakan. This by-election, I have been saying it. A village like Saresamba in the Kayaf ward, Franco. Namoli Yafole, they have never got a meeting in that village. In a man meeting sotoje. Because imang ibuka reception sotoje. You know. I mean, but this time around, Amandanko yang receive je nga meeting kije, but nga mol soto sati dungul million ko the members of the party now. Openly. Women and young people, very influential young men. You know. And they would say this. You know. Some of them are fathers. You know. So we're feeling the poor me along ko ya fenke na model, more especially the people in the incumbent would try to tribalize the politics at some areas just to gain, you know. It's backfiring because people are seeing it otherwise. Because Amantonya. So we are seeing the changes happening. You know. So of course, you know, ning atara kunum itila sove ye ko itandila nyami. If you want to go by that and they bent believe in the law and they believe law because they alone nako in the film and mol mi yalon ko ya fil ko ñi dañu fenal dañu reeral ñi liñ ñu dig dafa bari te defuñ ko sanil nañ leen carte gëna sanil nañ carte gëna defuñ dara ñun gëna nañ ci because they lied to them many times that you know what, you know, I mean, we are not going to go there. And sometimes na fana ko nga lonko, you know, they're getting people registering them from across the borders coming in. Of recent, nga député this is not even the only député miye diamofo Senegal la député bunkono because there was a time Senegal la député bunkono ñin député diamofo lato ko atela dulato Senegalais mi yalon ko baadingol len fen ko lolo
ibuka kayto so
yeah, but Senegal kayto lebe bulu Senegal e Gambia kayto lebe Gambia voters they do go and vote in aya foje but this time ñi mu député lati atara Sen TV le ko say atafana ya itandije ko la jemol is warning them Gambia nol bukata dabula Senegal la carte fayoto and ite lawo dandangol be Senegal lol, you know, Gambia ika Senegal kay ika Gambia voters card sotole ni carte fayo site ko ike jole pour ye na carte fayola, you know. So ning atara wo fana ba fo kan ko abayla authorities diamond la pour ye fere ke wo kanake nga fil ko ning atara kemele ka dunnan non ferobe kala linyim banku fulo la do koto molu not the mansakunda because wo is adama molu ani mansakunda membe Senegal bawo advocacy nyimbe start kan jele pour ka wotala. So ning atara sauver ka amount of people will continue that are coming from across the borders. I don't go better this time. I don't tell all those jele. So wala nantel manjiki la tay ko nyin kono andu mbitala all out ka kumoto nya fo mole wala be mbulu bari at the end of the day it's not for UDP. We are not talking to people to do favors for UDP or for Kusino. It's for the Gambia, all of us. Ni denta bankola ni denta Gambia la. Gambia be maral bulo min kono aka Gambia samba nyame amante aranse amite aranse yame rante falindir kala bang nga jube nga di nyindo fanar katon sartol nyi wala fo ko ni adi nyin na sanjilu na siata na ma bendino adi nyindo fanala yo fana ma bendino adi nyindo la ndebe wodam male fo kan but ni te balandi mo kilo la dron at the end of the day we just go banko bita nyame ko la ko non tebe nyilla la mala because nte ngajele bari tete nyilla la ma ite ba mi da be diala ko le abe dile te kan nyama te dilante kan wonyama wala take you know so mul foisia cross wonyama no nte be balandi nyinna pour mul ka je ko voting for UDP you are doing favors for Ousainou what favors for Ousainou for Ousainou le wulta bang ay patio I feel ko I just want to be president of this country I patio loa faye he become the secretary general of the party and want to be president you need to know that history that's not Ousainou modoli ya wala ke modoli ya jika you know what until life I want to be this I want to be this but at some point I want to be president and now this is and if I want to be president I need to form a political party I need to be, you know I need to amass resources here and there and make sure nothing goes modoli la jero do nyam but Ousainou ta fakete wala nyama ba one among all he is the one person me along ko bankola al halo at a given time wala ya warrant for people of different political parties to come together and form one entity and call it UDP. At the time, me along ko imam fenya na manke bankote because these are parties me along ko they were in opposition direction. This is PPP, GPP, and NCP. You understand?
After the coup.
After the coup. After that, now they looking for somebody to lead the party. Kul kita nyame o manke moye fenkete. Ifo Ousainou nata nana. Ousainou ye o accept dalilo min fanala aya accept nyame. Mo be wo jele. So Ousainou ba lodula le tamande kan rong ka jeko bankola ko kan mole jiko soto ko nisi den nole yela lodula ta ngana lodula ta so Ousainou lodula fo question be wala to bang fo mol lodula because Ousainou ya ala leadership ya da faale ita fen soto no la be min fola Ousainou ma min ba iten lako ni man jari ka ki nyato koti because moyato warante man kutoto o al londoto o anything ayo exam be passed 100%. So now mean to the people who feel they should also take their responsibility and make sure he's elected. Have they done their bits? Have they done it properly? Have they advocated properly? Maybe it'll mark but not Ousainou. So ning atara past elections, whether they were fair or not fair, but ning atara Ousainou have not been announced winner. Muneketa not kafu ko imanying announce winner dama muneketa campaign le man ta nyama bang resource le man ka anyata bona nafiki ale keta bang victimization le keta bang sunyaro le keta bang that has nothing to do with Ousainou onte Ousainou ti see that why people putting the blame on Ousainou ko he's not eligible among mol ma fekela ni men man kate fay wo mo wolleti wala ne man kate fay
So Sam, finally, I've kept you for 1 hour. Finally,
I could go for 2 hours.
Yeah, to politician. So finally,
Ousainou kachaka dia nyawa kala billahi.
So finally, ite amera because Ousainou nana manke mo kideri.
No.
Okay. So but abuka election of fana win. So it am final when I name ko abuka election win, what I meant is
I understand.
I passed election on Mengei. He was not declared winner.
Yes, right.
And I mean, of course, because argument in Newco election is stolen, nobody can win that argument because except if the court says yes, it's stolen. It am a sign this election munebe fatala, mending other elections be fatala. Munebe kela mending other elections be fatal. Membe outcome do bondi la mending other elections la outcome.
Would I be able to predict that or say that categorically? No. Mimbi wala miente ko.
Nombe men na tole ke fen to wala. UDP ke fen.
Nke wala fo. Min nyanta molma surtout an opposition. Pour ka contest in an election. Nte do kelale adun kam info mo kolom atuta mo lebo you cannot force people to accept what you accept what you know mbenna patio nyin nyanta expand la nyame anyanta no mi nyanta kala pour ka patio nyin na principles na la policies nyin ka funtinde mol kan ko ni patio be maraloke abe nyin le keno la means difference not no more life to be kelale to the max 1 2 mba make sure la election o nyin ka conduct nyame de la participation o nga tamandi reach out to the people ni election o lumusija we would try to get agents milialo ko be talaji kan ka taw jube ka kanta ka tanka
wo pour suñandir kuwol ñin
hanin koleya kudol mil ya lon ko mol ka feel ko akake blado you know sam be wo intensify la bakel because ku jamal le ka fo koto min mo class kala quality min ka so bawo mol hani bawo mol yol dol fole ay wudo yalla yela
ya comme ka fo carte wol be je men yalla be use kam pour que
whatever lot of things ani hani ñing mol mil ka bonam bantale kana carte fo la ani ñing supplementary registration o min nyanta kala ka on mi yalla ko on the yol lam you know because ngamin shoote wala ngente ko the incumbent would want to use on the ages. Ba wolte document sort of la membe qualified to register, ID card sort and everything. But attestation o si kenole, si qualify no la pour register. Adum alkalolu wolle ka attestation di. Now we hear them saying ko alkalol dia kuya. They have to work for the government la interest, otherwise it be bail because president wale ikije. You understand? So much that if elections come, ijenda koku ninke la kaje ko president wala Mansa Kunda e gagné, you know, ala parti e gagné be okela. Nga feel ko wala nyinte ko they will use them to give attestation to people million ko imansi. Ya ibe feeling min sotla wala nyinte ko ni adi wala itel you will facilitate. Will ba file itel le. Those kind of thing. Be will be report la le, be will be lankena mandela le. You know, me along ko they all not right. You know, nga feel ko we will talk to alcalos, we will talk to people pre or understand. If they use la nyame, can use no nyama. But at the same time, if they facilitate people to be registered, until ben na youth card you use la pour que diamu wo youth solye, tel yemil mako ke register fam pour wol yeye and they will not vote for them. So mbe wo intensify la le baake. Adu nga koje nyame mfana moro banko kata mi banko be insecure ne mon man secure mon man secure adu nga lonko mol fana be jikila te kan banko la security kan court sol man tarata kan kwanya data la nyami nga fil ko ninga fana be tande mol la foy nyaaye woje adu nga itandi la ko wonte mola do ko ti pour ka remedy na manke Mansa Kundati wonte ala ta jila e wokali Mansa Kundala because Mansa Kunda ni bi na tele ka fo ko na den ki jembe nyinkela ne aje ba fola fana anyanta kelale bari funds mi nyanta wo dokule ka misappropriately and we will show them all that ninga jiki ko ninga obey tandila mol be jelal. So this is what we're going to make difference now. But at the end of all that ninga beke, if the people still choose to put him there, they get no problem. He will survive. But people will see things will do themselves. Things will do themselves.
So ita jiko to komi ya ila jiko ita jikita komi at least kol katanya men falin do bakala
na jiko sto woto bagela ya lon kamin fo nte ko famo na advocacy bitala to the extent of trying to reach out to President Barrow ay fere ka fanna
yani ba ka bel wala
ha abe wol fo la bari janni wo tembo ntete sonna ngalon ko ati finga ngalon ko balala mol be la fi ngatele law because atele mo ila rocked everything you understand come afon ya fo nyame the party is young prior di but inte na temo I will go all out, use all avenues to tell him I fere ka fanna. That will be better for him. Because milba force la prior law, milba nene la prior law. Handing atra ganyeta, he is getting more unpopular, and then more unpopularity, you know, ba put la in trying to entrench himself and do more be kuyalale. Ala bo ala aftermath binakela bul problem. Adu naketa bula problem to abinakela tumaran ketile adu mamela ko anyanta la fila wala adu nteta la flight ay la fi wala because awulu dingolu mul munte bari ndin kono tollete that's what I'm going to tell him ko milba bala iba force kan itelam these are the same people milia lonko they don't want Jammeh to go down itelam ngata ke mansati ngata for 10 years ngata for 20 years ngata for 30 years at the end of the day birin ko koleata banga because for mols for falindi do sike birin ko fotata tembeto ibeya abandon le Jammeh ni momentu fadamma fana na badin damma Barrow fana the same thing would happen to him andum badin dantang wala betar la bala mando ning futata wo level to aske non tenya datar la wo badin wala kon oto I feel ko nimbe kumala anyanta jele la moyla dan bi mil na ba kono iba yoti kan alaman sa ya dia kan ate bayno la fasi fala masaya ko mamal tekere he should remind himself of that honestly and so until advocacy is not like alkate fa nga baro bununa I will talk to him ndeni te denta dimbayal minna ni denta badim kunda minna nga fere ke bang nga miral ke bang man sa kiling jana mani man dunia bang
baro fa la
ka yalo ka kuofo aninka loa kan ukan that they are two different things you know I will keep reminding him you know ngalong mil ba balay bu ko fay ta fu ngana but I will send that message over and over wal bimbele itelam man sare e man la fila ye konne bari be jela jande be fenkela jande because they are enjoying those privileges and everything ate labanna what is happening to Macky Sall le ate makoy ka sindi Macky Sall was there and everything akana nyadi man la fika jam fa fang mene yam lu jusana bla mbalo itelle na tanyo la itellum fonkolti mbalo kete nyadi mbalo juba yala bankoto mimbulu because he feel he would win kate fayo be nu nyaamin campaign be nu nyaamin Guinea Bissau ni mbalo jube ni min koy mbalo iba ite carte faylay italana akake wol nyama incumbent sometimes ike yotile ke danna wo be katara kol konole you know and Barrow I mean you can't. It's not all about winning these 2026 elections. Hani you win, tumando wole be kala dangoti. Bari wo batar lay idum ta daming pour ka jinang warante ka bo. Wo be ko ale bulu. Ka funti wo be kala ale bulu. Yedum blato damen ko funto be na kala problem oti. Janni wo ko man tinya baake na jube mba pat la nyame Barrow. Yeah.
Okay, baraka baake Amadou Mane.
But mo jama man Pa Amadou Mane to wo mun na official name. Pa Mane, honorable Pa Mane.
Baraka bake inata jang kacha. Hopefully mbe kacha la kotankela maybe nin campaign warata.
Commence
inshallah.
Thank you very much. Fana content da kana jang ko mi ngafo nyami. Ila lo nya journalism to na sutele nga jele alhamdulillah nyanta kala wala nyama just be independent, continue being independent, you know, and then ask and then do what you will do after mo level ka jibe alhamdulillah
momo naldo
ko lo ma
barona ta ndol fana
wallahi thank you contact the bag